Hi guys, it's Ruby Doctor 2315 and today I'm going to be doing a very rare iPhone 6s Plus unboxing I just got today. Quite cheap actually, but it's really, I hope it's actually in there. I got a review. Oh, we actually got the phone. I actually got a phone. Oh cool, a little bonus too. Whoa. My god, that is super rare. And oh, that's a cute cat. He told me about the what the password is, but I can't show it though because I don't want you guys to hack into my phone. Okay, cool. It's actually got some games on here. Hello Neighbor, you have to pay for that. Ooh, this is really cool. There's already some games. Let's see what's on Minecraft here, because Minecraft's the main game. It's pretty cool. Like, all these games are free. This guy's really kind, too. How much did you pay for it? I only got $5.99 for it. Ooh, there's a Noel. Wait a minute. Ooh, I go for 50 quid, which is reasonable amount. Ooh, this is a Noel survival. Oh. Huh, okay. For some reason, this guy was able to get him some... Oh, look. The crafting table. Oh, we got lots of stuff. Oh, Unbreaking 3 and Lure 2. My god, this guy is really generous. But surprisingly so. Anyway, so it said this is Noel. So I think this is based on that Minecraft entity called Noel. If you don't know about him, he's just this he's a skin which is like completely black with white eyes. Which is pretty weird. I don't know. And let's just see what's around here. Just want to see this random torch there. Anyway, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna try to get out this. Looks like there's water here. I'm gonna break this anyway. See what happens. Oh yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna get off. Also, that's a really cool skin. It's Ignited Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. How convenient. That's weird. Wait a minute, let's see. Oh good, this guy supports my channel. Okay, that's weird.
Yeah, you definitely didn't just change the skin off change the name off camera.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, let's look at skins.
And the skin.
FNAF 1. We got with Foxy, Chica. Wait, no. Yeah, that's definitely with Foxy, Chica, Bonnie, Freddy, Michael Afton, Golden Freddy, and the puppet. Ooh.
From this.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave this for now. Now just see what comes in the box. I hope this has this. Ooh, what's this?
That's just.
Ooh, that's just a few old little things in here. That's
like a SIM card and some other stuff. We're not going to show that off because that's SIM card
ooh,
stuff.
Cool. Oh, cool! I got one of these thingies. Let's see what type this thing actually has. Now let me see.
This is very difficult to do, isn't it?
Oh, here we go.
It comes out.
Ooh, it's EE.
No! Don't show that. Don't show that. Huh?
Yeah, just said it out. Oh, I can't show you guys, but it's an EE thing. Okay. I can't say the name of course. I'm just gonna put back in the phone.
Yeah, because it's a number thing. I think it's just like.
Yeah, it's a number thing in it.
Yeah, and then someone will probably use your account to pay for their own phone bills. Yeah, sure, do that. Yeah, I want to see that so I can memorise that off by heart. Yeah, this is Camera Editor, Dr. Epic.
Yes, indeed. Thanks. Always a little bit hard. I'll just give this to me. I'll edit this out. Then, anyway.
Okay, so you've got it in. Okay, cool.
Now let's see. A really cute cat.
Maybe we should show them the Apple stickers.
Oh look, YouTube. Who's this guy subscribed to?
No, don't want to show the accounts. Don't show the accounts. There's the Apple stickers.
Okay, it's just IBX Toy Cat, and PewDiePie stuff. Oh, and FNAF stuff too. He subscribed to FNAF two Scott Cawthons because he doesn't know which one is the right one. Living Tombstone made that the first FNAF one and other stuff, blah blah blah, don't give a crap. Anyway, let's see what Hello Neighbor has to give, because he needs to pay for the full version.
No, we can't do that. We can't do. Oh yeah, we were going to show you Hello Neighbor,
but it's gonna copy strike the video, so I've not. But actually, it's really cool. It actually comes with a full page version. It's pretty weird. Now some of these apps I've never heard of. Piscon 3D, I play that. Let's see how good this guy is.
I'm not sure if you can get copyright strike for this one either.
Yeah, I'm just.
I bet you it's gonna have copyright music in it or something.
No, I'll see what guns he has in Pixel Gun 3D. Yeah, I'm gonna see what guns this guy has in Pixel Gun 3D. Oh, cool! He's got
spammed.
No, he hasn't. His pet is Cybodog. That's all I'm just gonna say. Helix Jump. What level on Helix Jump has he got?
I don't know if this can be copyright. For some weird I don't think this is copyright.
Oh,
if it is
65. Level 65 is really.
Well,
I'm a pro at Helix Jump.
Oh, Helix Jump is like impossible, I swear.
I'm a pro.
Well, either that or it's like super easy or something. I'll probably need to put like lines down the video or something just in case. And otherwise I'm just terrified that it's going to get copyright striked. You know, it's your boy Dr. Epic and I care about these kind of things.
Yeah, thanks, editor. Oh look, beat level in one try.
Anyway, that's easy enough.
Yeah. What else?
Anyway.
We got Whole Liar, that's a good game. Troll Quest video games. All these basics.
Yeah, anyway, that should probably be it, to be fair.
Yeah, wait a minute, let's go on Google and see.
See, we need to search up everything important.
FNAF 2 Met Desert, Ibex Toy Camp, FNAF
I love
songs.
the fact that you're just looking at someone else's search history.
Yeah, I mean, this guy seemed really kind though. He's only like.
Well, fortunately, he didn't search up anything weird.
Yeah, luckily we don't see that weird FNAF anime fan art, that's made of nightmare fuel.
Yeah, we don't even need to talk about that. We should probably edit that out of the video.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh look, Lego Nightmare Freddy there.
That's nice. Anyway.
This guy's got. I'm gonna do my channel.
Yeah, we need to do all the important channels, I guess. Just click on the YouTube icon, I guess.
Wait, let me just see. A minute. I just need a minute.
Okay, we just need a minute, apparently. One more minute.
Oh, here we are.
Okay, here we go.
Blah.
We don't want to click a sign into Google account. We'll have to pause this for a couple of seconds. Okay. Huh.
Like that.
This is nice, isn't it?
Well, this is a FNAF fan game.
Well, fortunately, you can.
Check.
Fortunately.
Oh yeah, Ruby Doctor 241 is really good at the game. Oh, there's Luke there. Ooh.
Anyway.
Getting the 5th night is really hard because it used to be hard on the actual FNAF 1.
You do realise this is your channel, this is being uploaded to, and this is your video. Anyway, let's just go on to another video channel that's important, because we don't need to show in a whole 20-minute long video or however long it is.
Let's see my friend's channel. I mean, no, do Ruby Doctor 2315's friend's channel.
No, I'm the editor. Like my my editor channel.
My editor's channel. Oh, there we go. Hi, it's Dr. Epic here, making videos on strange, boring things. That's absolute trivia. Play next, play now. If Dr. Epic 2210 took over Minecraft by Dr. A2210, blah blah.
That's even wrong. What? Oh, we can't show that. It's weird stuff that we don't know what it is. Real cold. Okay, sure, that's a good idea.
No one needs butter these days.
Yeah,
anyway, I'm going to end the video here because it's almost 10 minutes long, and I'm poor. I don't want to pay for 11-minute video for no reason at all. So I'm going to end the video here. Goodbye.
Dr. Epic. Well, Dr. Ruby Doctor out. Okay, we can keep that in the video.
Doctor out. Bye-bye.
Hi. This is the editor speaking, and I get to keep these, and they're brilliant.
Of course. Yeah. Okay, goodbye.